Today I want to talk about 1 cent. Have you ever found 1 cent on the street? And did you pick it up? I'm the kind of person who can be a little bit too, lazy, so I just leave it lying there. After all, you don't get anything with 1 cent anyways, so why the effort? But then yet again, as unworthy this tiny little cent seems, it carries the most important role. Why? Well, every amount of money begins with just 1 cent, and every sum of money consists of many 1 cents. If you have a few cents put together, you have $1, and if you add some more, you have $2, and if you have a whole pile of them, you have $100. This little cent reminds me of all the other little things in our life that we often underestimate, don't realize, or consider as unimportant because we have our eyes focused on big things like making a career, winning a lottery, or buying a big new house. Now, these big things can be nice and good for us, but it doesn't mean that they are the only things which are responsible for our happiness in life. We may often believe that if we right away get the big stuff, like getting promoted or having a new flat, then we are happy. But we don't realize that we already have so much which actually makes the big stuff. There are so many special wonders and occasions in your life, like a warm hug of a friend, the smile of a child, or a good meal. Compared to your bigger desires, these things can seem very small and irrelevant. But without them, you would pretty fast realize how much is missing. It's like the 1 cent that in the end makes $100 when you have many of them added up together. In the same way, all the tiny things in your life are actually those 1 cents that altogether make the big stuff. For the most part, we don't realize these small special things because we have gotten used to them. Human beings get used to everything, and that is the reason why we again and again think that so much is missing in our life, because we have forgotten how rich we already are. How about paying more attention to the little things in your everyday life? You may be waiting for something big to happen, but if you open up your eyes, you'll realize that that big thing is already there. It consists of many special little tiny things that surround you every day. If you become more and more aware of this, you will experience much joy in life, because happiness comes when thankfulness is there. Even thankfulness for those small, special, tiny things. To put it all together, be aware of what you have, even those small things, because they help make the big things in your life.